Hi, my name is Kenton Zerbin, an entrepreneur, teacher, and producer in Edmonton area. In response to COVID, I've had to take my education online. And in entertainment, I have sensed an immense opportunity to reach people. This is precisely why I've made up the Tiny House Master Plan. The Tiny House Master Plan is the design and build of a state-of-the-art tiny house, using companies from around Edmonton, around Alberta, and across Canada to make this house for free so we can give it away. Furthermore, the show is about a tour, using the house to go across Canada and use it as a portable concert venue that people can attend the events from it, from the comfort and safety of their vehicles. Furthermore, this is actually a reality show. This is a YouTube channel that is free for anyone to watch. This all said, running a production agency in COVID times has not been kind. It is not easy to get together teams of people, nor has it made it easy in terms of costs of materials. And going from education in person to education online has its costs as well. This is precisely why we have entered for the video competition for Edmonton's NextGen. Essentially, $2,500 up to that can be awarded. And I want to say thank you for your consideration in voting for us for this video competition so that we can invest in better videography and sound gear so we can truly document this amazing journey of this build, design, and tour of a tiny house. Thank you so much.